Hello, fellow patriots and defenders of democracy. Welcome to the madness. We're here back in the car doing car things. And no, inside looks filthy, right? But I do have all the electronics over here, like the ECU. It's in a bag. All these plastic bags in here. This is all the electronics, like the fuse holder and all of that. This is all covered. Before we even continue, happy Thanksgiving. I'm not a big fan of turkey, but happy Thanksgiving to you. I'm more of a oxtail, curry goat, roti. I haven't really been, they're slowly trying to get me to be accepting to Thanksgiving things. But yeah, I'm not really a big fan. So what's going on here as I'm sitting in the car? What I need to tell you is there's a bunch of things on this bill that kind of scare me. This worried me a bit because, to be honest, this is the #1 thing people have been asking me for like the last 3 months, other than when you're going to get the car built. Where does the, where is it? Where's the short shifter go? Where's the shifter? Where does the shifter go in accordance with this longer transmission, and how is it going to sit, and where it's going to be in the tunnel, and questions. Everybody asks questions. So, as of right now, what I have done is I've pulled off this wonderful, what's the appropriate word here? The detent. I removed this earlier. The detent pin. No, not the detent pin. I just removed the cover. And I removed the spring, and I inserted another spring in there, and then slid the stock spring over it, essentially making it firmer. Do I know why we need it firmer? Apparently to make the lockout more smooth or firm. I'm not really sure what the hell the point of this is, but I got told it needs to be done. And I didn't see it on the internet. So I'm kind of just stalling. It's pretty much all of this. I kind of don't want to cut my bell housing out any further. As you see the gaping hole right here. There's a similar one on the other side, but I'll weld them all up. I had to remove the tacks that held this on to get this out because rushing. This is what happens when you try to rush ahead. But anyway, let me stop stalling. Yeah. Whew.
Ryan Little.
So this is what I'm looking at. As you can see, we can finagle it in here, but as that is there, this won't. There isn't any way to. You're not gonna. Yeah, it's too big for the hole. So back to the cutting again. Holding this camera all sorts of stupid. My question now is how flush should this thing be? Like, lube it up to push it all the way through this and drop it all the way in? Do we cut out a little bit more on the back end here? And it seems like we're gonna need a little bit more space. That's about right. It's about right here. Looks like we're gonna need a little bit more. So we're back in here. Yeah. We cut entirely too much of my tunnel out. So now I've developed another issue that I'm looking at called how am I going to seal this all up? But let me not think about that for the moment as we attempt to slide this in. Get in there. Let's get these washers that wanted to run off on me. We semi-patched one problem and created another. This is down. Need to adjust a couple of things, but now I need to figure out how exactly am I going to seal this upper section to prevent any type of madness, or if I should just remove this linkage and just put this directly here. Man. E30-2Jz drivers. Tell me where these gears are allocated. Yep, I don't remember. It's been so long. It's been sitting here so long. I forgot all about it. But, hey man, happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy time with your family, your loved ones, and close family and friends. Until next time, peace.